What's up guys, your guy Shapiro Acid here again, and guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a website that can make you enough money in 2024. Okay guys, I mean it, these websites have been in existence for a longer period of time. People are using it, people are making a lot of money from it. So I know and I believe that if only you are serious, you are persistent, and you are hardworking, these websites can make you at least $100 every day. Guys, I'm not joking. $100 every day. So in case you are somebody up there who love to make money online, your passion is how to make money online, you love to do things online, guys, I recommend this site for you. Okay guys, stay tuned. If I mention the name of the website and you click off this video, that you know it already, guys, stick to this video, watch the video to the end. I'm going to explain to you how you are going to use this app to make a lot of money. And guys, before I will forget to, if this is your first time here, my name is Shapiro Acid. I do video about how to make money online. I'm an internet marketer. I go to the market, search what is working, what people are doing to make enough money. I come here and record a video about it. So in case you appreciate my effort, hit the like button and also share this video to all of your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. And guys, before I forget to, in case you have any question that you want to ask me, you have a personal question, you have anything you want to ask me, don't forget to what, drop it on the comment section. I always reply to all your messages under the comment section. And guys, before I forget to, I'm doing a massive giveaway on my Twitter account. So in case you are here, you didn't follow me yet on Twitter, I'll drop the link to my Twitter account in the description box below. Make sure that you follow me on Twitter, because I'm doing a massive giveaway this Christmas time. I'm doing a massive giveaway on my Twitter. So without talking much, let me take you to my full screen where I'll record my phone for you and how you can make money for this platform. Let's go guys. So here we are on my phone. I'm going to show you the website that will make you a lot of money, or at least $100 every day. Now go to your browser. I don't know which browser you are using. In case you are using Android, then go to Google. In case you are using iPhone, then you go to Safari. So when you go there, just search for, you're going to search for what, Flex Jobs. Okay, search for it. Okay, now when you search for it, it will bring you to a place that look like this. Okay, to bring you to a place that look like this. And guys, this is how the platform look like. So as you can see, they have a nice interface and they have about 10,000 reviews. It means a lot of people are using this website. And guys, there is no way they're going to scam you, or they're going to run away with your money, because you need to pay a one-time fee. Okay, you need to pay a one-time fee. I think 300 cedis. I'm very sure it's $30, 300 cedis. That's one-time fee you're going to pay. And guys, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to get job here and work. And guys, in case this is your first time, all that you need to do is click on the sign up button at the top here, as you can see. So you click on the sign up button real quick. Now you just provide them with your name, your email, your password, and guys, boom, you're ready to go. So you just give them your full name real quick. So Shapiro Acid. Then give them let me just give them my email address real quick. Okay, so, and guys, just give them a random password. Okay, so after the password, then you click on what, sign up. Guys, as you can see, so you are required to pay a fee. As you can see, it's not any that much plenty money. So yeah, they said $2 for what, 14 days. That means you're going to use for 14 days. It's just $2. And in Ghana here, that I think that will get us into like 300 cedis. Okay, so 300 cedis, you'll be able to find jobs here, get paid, and also do a lot of service here, as you can see on the screen. So in case you have the money ready, all that you need to do is just click on what, continue, and they're going to send you their payment method. Okay, so you can see you can use your Visa card, you can pay through PayPal or anything that you want to pay here, as you can see on the screen. But we are not here to pay today. Okay, I'm just going to show you how you'll be able to find jobs here and do. So let me just go back. Okay, so guys, in case you are here, just it's worldwide. Okay, it's worldwide. So let's assume you want some job in Ghana. Okay, so Ghana, and any job, just any job. So let's just search for any job in Ghana. Okay, so as you can see, here are some jobs in Ghana here that they are very, very new and you can do. You can see the first one is talking about the HRM business partner, and the design you have the design director. Guys, you can see a lot of jobs are here. You can see a lot of online jobs are here that you can do, and guys, they will pay you. Okay, they will pay you your money. You can see all these jobs here are new in Ghana. Okay, so just, if you are from USA, you just come here, type your location, just search for a job, and you are good to go. So in case I click on this job, let me just click on this job right now. Okay, so you can see the day that the job is posted, and you can see the location. They say anywhere, and they want a full-time person. It must be what experience, must have an experience in the job, and you see the benefit. You see a lot of things. So in case you think that this job is just good for you, you can what, go ahead and apply for the job, and guys, you are good to go. So I think this website here is going to make you a lot of money from 2024. So make sure to hop up into this website before anything else. But guys, in case you have any question you want to ask me about this website, if you have any doubt you want to ask me about this site, don't forget you can leave it on the comment section. I always reply to every comment. I'll come and reply to your comment and let you know what you need to do to earn a lot of money here. So you can scroll through a lot of jobs here, a lot of things. So guys, in case you have paid the amount, they will open all this one. You have not paid the amount yet, that's why they're not opening this one for us. So in case you have paid the amount, they're going to open everything for you. The money, amount of money you're going to earn, they're going to open it for you, and guys, you are good to go. So this is the right way to invest your money in 2024. In case you like this video, appreciate this video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.